Welcome to GIS Pathshala, Grade A Social Science History. And our topic is from trade to territory. See, in our previous video lectures, we have seen about the Britishers, how British East India Company came to India from east side, how they started their work here, how they started trade here. But at last, the trade led to battle. See, their main purpose to came here in India was to do trade. But after trading, at last how the trade led to battle, that we have to see. See what happened at that time. Mughal rulers were there. Mughals were counted as the pan ruler of India, and Aurangzeb was considered as the most powerful Mughal ruler. Aurangzeb was considered as the most powerful Mughal ruler in India. So what British East India Company did? British East India Company issued a farman from Aurangzeb. British East India Company issued a farman from Aurangzeb, and in that farman what they issued, that they can do a tax-free trade. And Aurangzeb issued the farman also, and they got the permission of doing trade without paying tax. So because of this, and see, company can do the trade without tax, but along with the company officials were also doing the trade without paying tax. And because of all these things in Bengal, there was a heavy loss of revenue income. There was a heavy loss of revenue income, and things were not going on properly. But because the Aurangzeb has issued the farman, the other rulers are allowing the company to do the trade-free tax. But after the death of Aurangzeb, what happened? The other rulers were saying that now we want our separate province, our separate territories, and the rulers made their separate territories. So one of the territory was Bengal, and first of all, in Bengal, the Nawab was Murshid Ali Khan. After the death of Murshid Ali Khan, who became the Nawab of Bengal? After the death of Murshid Ali Khan, Alivardi Khan became the Nawab of Bengal. After the death of Murshid Ali Khan, Alivardi Khan became the Nawab of Bengal, and he died in 1756. After the death of Alivardi Khan in 1756, who became the Nawab of Bengal? Sirajuddaula. Who became the Nawab of Bengal? Sirajuddaula. See, after the death of Alivardi Khan, before Alivardi Khan, Murshid Ali Khan was the Nawab of Bengal. After Murshid Ali Khan, Alivardi Khan became the Nawab of Bengal, and after the death of Alivardi Khan in 1756, Sirajuddaula became the Nawab of Bengal. Now what happened? When Sirajuddaula became the Nawab of Bengal, company was worried with this. Why company was worried? Because the main aim of company was to earn more and more money from India. So they were trying many of the things, and they want trade-free tax. But Sirajuddaula was not a puppet ruler. Puppet ruler means the ruler who was working according to the wish of Britishers. What Britishers were saying, according to that the ruler was working. But Sirajuddaula was an independent ruler. He was not a puppet ruler. So company was worried about this, because company want to earn more and more money. They want to do the tax-free trade and all such type of things, and wanted to earn more and more money from India. And Sirajuddaula was not a puppet ruler, so company was worried with this, and they were interfering. Company was interfering continuously in the state matter of Sirajuddaula. Now Sirajuddaula was, because Bengal was a independent province, independent territory, and Sirajuddaula was the ruler. But then also company continuously interfering in the matter of Sirajuddaula. Company was interfering in the state matter, other matter of Sirajuddaula, and Sirajuddaula was not happy with this. Sirajuddaula was not happy with this. Sirajuddaula was not happy, so what he did? Sirajuddaula asked the company. Now Sirajuddaula directly asked the company to stop meddling in the political affairs of its domain. Means don't interfere in my political affairs. Whatever I am doing as a ruler in my region, you don't interfere in all such type of things. After that, stop fortification. See, as you know, that what Britishers were doing, they were making one post, factory, and after making the post or factory, they were doing the fortification. They were making the fort around the post or factory. So किलाबंदी करते थे, एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर. So Sirajuddaula told that you don't do the fortification. After doing fortification, they are taking all the place also. So Sirajuddaula told that you stop doing fortification also. And at last, the main thing Sirajuddaula told, that pay revenue means if you want to do any trade in Bengal, you should have to pay the tax, like that Sirajuddaula said to the company. See, all these things are against the Britishers' wish. Britishers wanted to do all such type of things. They want to interfere in the state matters also. They wanted to do fortification also, and they wanted to do the tax-free trade. So all these things are against the Britishers' wish. Now what happened? Britishers were doing negotiation with Sirajuddaula. Negotiation with Sirajuddaula means they were doing some of the talk with Sirajuddaula, and they want to do some of the settlements. If Sirajuddaula was ready to do some of the things or like that, but Sirajuddaula was not ready to do any sort of compromise. Sirajuddaula was not ready to do any sort of compromise, because he was knowing that all these things led to the ruin of Bengal. All such type of things led to the ruin of Bengal. So again and again they were doing the negotiations, but negotiations failed. Now the negotiations failed, and all such type of things happened. So after that, what Nawab did? Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers to the English factory at Kasim Bazar. See, Kasim Bazar was a place at Bengal. So Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers to the English factory at Kasim Bazar. Nawab went there. After that, he captured the company officials. उन्होंने सभी कंपनी के ऑफिशियल्स को बंदी बना लिया. He captured the company officials, and history it was written like that he kept all those company officials in prison, and many of them died also there. So Britishers were very angry about that. He locked the warehouse. Warehouse was one type of godown or one type of place where they were keeping all the material and things. He locked the warehouse also. After that, he disarmed all the Englishmen. Englishmen के पास जितने हथियार थे, सभी उनके पास से हथियार भी ले लिए, and he disarmed all the Englishmen also. Located English ship को भी सबको ले लिया. English ship को भी ताले लगा दिए. English ship भी उन्होंने अपने कंट्रोल में ले लिया. So he blockaded English ship also. See, all these things he did in Bengal, there at the factory at Kasim Bazar. He did all the things there, and so in Bengal he took all the control of the British rule. In Bengal he took the control of all the things of the East India Company, where they were doing where British East India Company was doing trade. After doing all these things at Bengal, where he went, then Nawab marched to Calcutta. Where Nawab marched to Calcutta to establish control over company's fort there. See, in Calcutta also company's fort was there. Company's fort means company's factory post was there, and their company was doing the fortification. So the fort, it was known as the fort. So what Nawab did? Nawab took the control of the fort there also. In Calcutta also Nawab took the control. See, once again I am saying what things Nawab did. See, Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers to the Kasim Bazar factory. What he did there? He captured the company officials. He locked the warehouse, disarmed all Englishmen, and blockaded English ships. These all things Nawab did at Bengal. After that, he marched to Calcutta to establish control over the company's fort there also. See, in Bengal he did this, and after this he marched to Calcutta. So now British East India Company was worried. If you are thinking that after all such type of things happen, British East India Company and officials of the company will sit quiet, of course not. The company officials didn't sit quiet. After the things done by Nawab, the British East India Company, Britishers were not happy, and they cannot sit quiet. They couldn't sit quiet. So what happened? See, here Bengal and here the Madras. So from here Madras also the factory was there of British East India. So from there they sent one person here with the troop, with the soldiers. From here the company sent one person with the troop and soldiers to Bengal. Who is the person? Company officials sent troop under the command of Robert Clive. Under the command of who's? Under the Nawab, but Nawab was not ready to do any compromise. So at last what happened? Finally in 1757 Robert Clive led the company's army against Sirajuddaula at Plassey. See, now the battle of Plassey came. Previously what we have seen, this all are the factors, the scenario of the battle of Plassey, why the battle of Plassey held. So finally what happened? Finally in 1757 Robert Clive led the company's army against Sirajuddaula at Plassey. Robert Clive led the company's army against Sirajuddaula at Plassey, and there the battle of Plassey. The place is Plassey, and there the battle held. So it is known as Battle of Plassey. Now Plassey, the name Plassey, how the name Plassey came? Because the place there many of the palace trees were there. The palace tree is one type of tree. From that the flowers are coming, and from that flowers the color of Holi, people are making the color of Holi. So many trees of palace were there. Now so the place was known as Plassey, and there the battle of Plassey held. Now after the battle, what happened? What is the result of battle of Plassey? In the result, what happened? Sirajuddaula lost the battle. Sirajuddaula lost the battle. You think Sirajuddaula was a weak ruler? Sirajuddaula was not powerful? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सिराजुद्दौला पावरफुल नहीं था? No, Sirajuddaula was a very good ruler. But what happened? The main reason of defeat was betrayal of Mir Jafar. Now you think, who is the Mir Jafar? Now see, who is Mir Jafar? Betrayal of Mir Jafar. The meaning betrayal, what betrayal means? Dhoka. In simple language we are saying betrayal means dhoka. Mir Jafar was one of the commander in chief in Sirajuddaula's army. Sirajuddaula के आर्मी में one person था, Mir Jafar, commander in chief था. He was the commander in chief and he betrayed. He betrayed, उसने धोखा कर दिया. How he betrayed? उसने धोखा में क्या कर कैसा धोखा किया? What he did? He betrayed by not participating the battle. See, when any king is going for battle, he has faith in his army, in commander in chief, that my commander in chief will fight properly with the troop and with the soldiers. But what Sirajuddaula did? Sirajuddaula ने क्या किया? He betrayed by not participating in battle. Battle में part ही नहीं लिया. So the soldiers were less, and because of the less soldiers, Sirajuddaula lost the battle. Because of the less soldiers, Sirajuddaula lost the battle. But why Mir Jafar betrayed? Why Mir Jafar betrayed Sirajuddaula? Because he was lured by Clive by the promise of making him Nawab after the defeat of Sirajuddaula. Lured means उसको फुसला लिया, बहका लिया, मना लिया, ऐसा कर लिया मीर जाफर को that if you are ready to give support to us, if you are ready to give support to us, then we if the Sirajuddaula will defeat in the battle, we will make you the Nawab. वो ग्रीडी पर्सन था, उसको ऐसा होगा हाँ हाँ नवाब, मुझे मैं नवाब बन जाऊंगा. So the thing came in his mind that I will be the future Nawab, and he was ready and he betrayed Sirajuddaula. So as such, Britishers were very clever, you know. So he like that he did the wrong things, and battle of Plassey, Sirajuddaula lost the battle. And Britishers were very clever. Now what happened? They got the British East India Company got the puppet ruler. Now they got the puppet ruler. Till now Sirajuddaula was not a puppet ruler, but now they got a puppet ruler. And after the battle of Plassey, totally the scenario of Bengal and totally the scenario of India changed. Further things we will see what happened after this in Bengal. See, Sirajuddaula lost the battle. Now as per the promise, Mir Jafar would be the Nawab of Bengal. After the Mir Jafar was Nawab of Bengal, what happened? What was the scenario of Bengal and